Today I've got a kick-ass project that a customer requested. This is a hidden drawer fireplace mantle. So basically, the mantle will pull out to reveal a drawer that you can stow items like remotes, coasters, or whatever you would find in a living room. This project is entirely built out of cabinet-grade plywood. Eventually, the customer will condition and stain it, but even left in its natural state, it looks great. A couple of tips for you when you're building something like this. I highly recommend that you use wood glue on all of the joints. Now, as for assembly, I would recommend an 18 gauge and a 23 gauge nailer. Don't forget to triple check your measurements. You don't want to mess these up. And if you'd like to see more behind the scenes on how we built this, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the little heart, and do all the things. And I'll see you in the next one.